Yo guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painted Projects and welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we're going to choose the person who has won the subscriber giveaway. It was just a little thank you from myself to you guys for, for supporting me in the last 12 months. That's right, the channel is pretty much a year old. I'm so made of that, I've got this far thanks to you guys. So let's see what was on offer to be won. We have got issue 1 of Warhammer Conquest, which contained 3 Primaris intercessors, 3 paint and a paintbrush, magazine in there as well, and also a little poster which is quite cool. And also the Warhammer Conquest issue 3, which have 3 Reivers and a lead belcher paint. So worth about £30 or maybe a little bit more. So I want to say, and again guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel, for subscribing, for liking the videos and then commenting and putting your feedback in and and interacting with each other as well. That's been pretty cool seeing you all talk to each other and stuff. Don't forget as well, I have got a Facebook group, Peninsula Hobby and Chill, so come on over, join the group, share what you're working on. It doesn't have to just be 40k guides or Games Workshop products. I'm wanting to build a community around the hobby, not just around Games Workshop products. I'm going to turn the camera around and check out the random comment generator. Good luck to all who have entered, and thanks again for supporting me. If you're watching this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Nice one guys, ciao. Right guys, this is so goddamn embarrassing, but for some reason my OBS isn't working on my Mac. So I've copied and pasted the link from my giveaway. I'm going to put it in to this YouTube random comment picker. So I'm going to copy and paste that into there and load comments. Oh, that's good. It actually gives you the channel name there. Can you see that? Peninsula Painted Project subscriber giveaway. Just a little thank you. 105 likes. Oh, look at all those views, bloody hell, that's good. 170 winners, 170 comments. I wish there was 170 winners, guys. Let's pick a winner. Like I said, I'm so sorry about the quality of this video. I'm really quite annoyed. And that was very quick. So the winner is Stephen Williams. He's got a total of 1 likes and 1 comment. Finally, a giveaway. Your picture is still bent. My most memorable memory is when I first started in 2002 and bought a whole Dark Eldar army to find they were just shit. Oh, how times have changed, hahaha. 81, so that must be in comments number 81. So Stephen has been giving me a bit of a stick recently, saying that my pitch in the background is a little bent, but congratulations Stephen Williams, well done for winning, mate. If you put a comment in the comment section of this video, we will contact each other and I'll get your address and I'll send over the goodies. Everyone, thanks for entering. We're nearly on 1,000 subscribers, so let's keep this going guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Nice one guys, ta.